What are your expectations for the event?
So I'm expecting to network, make friends. There are people who can follow me on Twitter, and then meet nice girls. It's important.
Hey, meet nice girls.
Yes.
About how many?
Oh, at least 15.
The Accra Digital Center is overflowing with crowd. The long-awaited Developers Festival, DevFest 2023, is finally here. There will be insightful talks, workshops, networking sessions, just name them. Join me as I interact with some of these amazing tech enthusiasts and professionals. Hello, what's your name?
I'm Yao.
Audrey.
I'm George.
I'm Patricia.
I'm Achu, and I'm just really interested in tech, and I just hope to learn something new.
What are your expectations for the event?
So I'm expecting to network, make friends. There are people who can follow me on Twitter, and then meet nice girls. It's important.
Hey, meet nice girls. About how many?
Oh, at least 15.
Meeting new innovation startups.
Seeing tech firms display what they do have.
Looking forward to the Women Tech Makers session.
Having the interest and the passion whipped up in us to go through the tech field and do something different,
Just to learn new technologies, programming languages, networking, meeting developers.
I'm Ted, and same as everyone else, I'm just here to learn.
Just here to learn, and I'm sure DevFest is going to give them their best.
Knowing that as people in the tech space, it's not just about sitting behind the computer and the code and building the product.
The infrastructure that was depicted to us by Utah, there have been a lot of investment.
This is the level of pollution in the environment.
So you realize that, we have a lot of conferences happening in the world discussing those things. That have to take a little bit for them. Also, when she kind of like.
So basically, most of the time, I know that we techniques.
So finally, it's been a long day, but we've come to the end of DevFest 2023. I have two lovely ladies here who are going to tell me how they feel about the entire event, how it went for them. Your name and how you feel.
My name is Ramat, and the event was really good.
It's been an interesting one. For me, what caught my attention was the medical part, the AI, robotic surgery,
I think the event was very amazing.
Today's program has been very insightful and also exciting.
All the experience has been amazing. So we talked about tech, empowering women in the technical area.
For me personally, it's been insightful because I got to learn things in the tech space, like really interesting facts and stuff. So it's really been exciting.
It was a great event, trust me, and I'm happy to see the growth DevFest has from like last year to this year. The talks and everything was inspiring. The networking, the setting, the food, the jollof was nice. Yes.
We make sure we're getting the best jollof ever in Ghana.
The food is very nice, and then some of the breakout session as well. These are like some people I know in the community, and I'm glad they were able to give their talk as well. So it was very nice.
They are all talking about food and growth. So I hope to see you here next year if you didn't come. Bye.